Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the exact clip you want a link to the QR. Make sure it's MP4 and under 50 MB so encoding stays fast. Shorter 15-30-second clips work best. Once done, install the QR Video Star or a compatible generator app on your phone and export the trimmed file at 720p to balance quality and size. Now open the generator, choose the file upload option, and confirm you want a direct video link rather than a web page redirect. You upload the exported clip or paste its direct streaming URL into the app's video field. This ensures the QR points straight to playable media. Then pick the QR type as video and set the scan action to play immediately rather than trigger a download, which improves mobile UX. Make sure to set error correction to M or Q if you plan to place a small logo in the center, because that gives you resilience without bloating the QR. Finally, preview the player inside the app to confirm playback. You export the finished QR code as a high-resolution PNG or SVG depending on whether it's for print or digital use. SVG is best for scaling. Once exported, test scanning on at least 3 different devices and networks to confirm cross-device playback. Check both camera apps and common QR readers. If playback fails, make sure the URL is accessible, increase error correction, or reduce any center logo size. One key troubleshooting tip: if scanning is inconsistent,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.